Welcome back, aviators, to Runway Revealed. You're watching episode 25 of our Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 Zero to Hero Career Mode. And this is a huge milestone. Today, we will unlock the Airline Transport Pilot License Certification, or the ATPL exam. It'll cost us 40,000 credits, but once we pass, we'll be officially cleared to fly heavy airliners and open up top-tier contracts in the game. Let's lock it in. We'll be flying the Diamond aircraft for this certification, sleek, stable, and perfect for long-range IFR work, a great test platform for future airline captains like us.